Ever wished you could ditch the tiny phone screen and play Pokémon Go on your computer? Today, we're diving into how to make that dream a reality by using Android emulators, which are software programs acting like an Android device first. Download and install a reputable Android emulator such as BlueStacks or NoxPlayer. You can find them with a simple Google search. Next, launch your emulator and navigate to its settings menu, usually symbolized by a gear icon. Now, enable virtual location services. This option enables your emulator to mimic the GPS on your mobile device. Once done, open the Google Play Store within the emulator and search for Pokémon Go. Then, download and install the game as you normally would on your phone. Configure the location services, or virtual location. Inside of your emulator, you must set a believable location that matches where you are playing from. Especially if this is the first time logging in, use a program such as the emulator's included location setting app, a third-party GPS spoofing app, or a custom location control option. Now log into your Pokémon Go account and familiarize yourself with the emulator's controls. Most emulators let you map keyboard keys to simulate walking or tapping. Pro tip: experiment with lower walking speeds on the controls to avoid errors and soft bands. But before you get carried away, a word of caution: using emulators and location spoofing can violate Pokémon Go's terms of service. There is a risk, though a small one, of account suspension or even a permanent ban, so play responsibly. That's it. Enjoy playing Pokémon Go on your computer, and thanks for watching.